How to fix Oracle VM VirtualBox needs Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable package being installed first. When you try to open the VirtualBox installer and you got this error message, then this tutorial will solve your problem. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 Redistributable package. Go to this link, scroll down. If your computer is 64-bit, then click on this link to download. After downloaded, open it to start the installation process. Accept the agreement, then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Click Close when the setup is complete. Now open the VirtualBox installer again. The error message has been solved. Now you can complete the installation process. And that's how you can fix this error. Thanks for watching.